the aftermarket exhaust already on the car and now doing a upgraded intake. It sounds completely crazy. Make sure to watch to the end of the video to see all the sound clips and watch how you can do it, and I'll make sure to link everything in the link in the description if you'd like to do this to your E70 X5 diesel as well. Get a good cold start for everyone, showing how the exhaust sounds. Mike right here. Let's see right here, Mike. Yes, sir. How are you doing today, Mr. Diesel? Like I said, we're about to go ahead and get some sound clips with the intake on the X5 diesel you see behind me. Been trying to dial in the settings back on the Sony today since I lost the Osmo, everyone. I'm sorry, it keeps doing this right here. Blurring and blurring and blurring. I'm gonna try to edit the best I can and figure it out in the meantime. All right, well, the setting they told me to use wasn't manual focus. We got a manual focus now. It looks like it's doing a lot better, even if it's not good lighting. It ain't focusing in and out like crazy. We're about to show some sound clips with the cheap 50 mount, front mount, top intake on the X5 35 diesel. Let's go ahead and get inside the X5. I know I'm not the only person that'll be driving and see their tire pressure monitor pop up on the car. Pop out, see that your tire's flat, and now you have to pump it up and don't have anything to pump it up with. Now you're stuck on the side of the road, have to either call someone. Luckily to Oxito, they have a smart air compressor that doesn't require any charger, doesn't require any batteries, just use a simple USB that you can keep on the go to pump your tire up when stuff like this happens. So you ain't stuck on the side of the road calling people, stranded for a while, looking for batteries. Go ahead and get your pump out, quick connect and twist the hose on there. Take off your valve stem and connect the hose with the Oxito pump. Hold the power button, select the right PSI you want it to do, turn it on, and just sit there and let it pump up. Don't have to sit there and hold it like any other pump that's annoying, standing there on the tire waiting for it to pump up. Just set your Oxito down and let it pump up the tire. Which is just crazy to me because this old Speedhigh Obi lithium battery powered one doesn't pump any faster. Line on the right Obi one gets so hot it's always crimping up. This one seems like it's a lot more better quality. What's nice about this one, like I said, you can charge it with a USB. Any other one, you know, you're gonna have to have a battery charger with you and a battery, which these are not cheap if anyone knows. For a quarter of the price, and it's a lot better quality, and it's gonna be a lot more reliable when you might get a flat tire. So don't be stranded on the side of the road. Get away from batteries. It's 2025 now. Get something you can charge with a USB real quick in your car on an outlet at your house. This is one of the only products that I have got from Oxito. I also got one of their portable car chargers. This came in handy a lot of times for customer cars and my car itself. Been using this for months now. Still works as it did when it came. Just keep it charged up. We'll say the quality is some of the best you can get. 8 to 9 out of 10 on the quality. Nothing more better they can do on that. Already pumped up a whole set of my boys' tires, and it's like the second time I'm using it on the X5 because I actually have a leaking valve stem right now. So this is coming in clutch me right now. So thank you, Oxito. If anyone's wanting to get like that portable battery charger, if anyone's wanting to get this smart air compressor, make sure to check out Oxito and use code INOAH for 15% off all their products. Again, thank you Oxito, coming in clutch with the smart air compressor. If anyone's wanting their products, check out the link in the description below. And let's go ahead and get right back into the top mount intake on the X5. Alpina's hitting on here, I swear. This has got to be the best $5,000, most reliable, best sounding, able to tow BMW SUV you can get. We'll be straight piping it, doing a different style exhaust on the back. I'm waiting to show everyone as well. Head and assemble the rest of the Max ECU and V3 setup for the N54. I know a lot of people are waiting to see this. A little sneak peek until we do come back in the next video with it. Bada boom. Like I said, it originally wasn't like this. I had it just going straight. I'm gonna pop up the video when we just threw it on there because it did sound a lot louder right there. Yeah! Alright, that's enough for today, big dog. Shit falling down. But obviously being over the turbo, it is too loud. So we got a 90 coupler and routed it to the stock location where the stock guide is flowing air right into the filter. We'll pop it up on the screen right here and have it in the link in the description. 90 coupler costs like $10. You can get a 90 straight pipe. Go ahead and get you a 3.5 filter. Obviously go ahead and get you some clamps. You see it's really easy. Bolt it all together, clamp it down. Just like that, you should have you an intake setup for less than $50 depending on where you get your parts from. It can be sometimes more expensive if you get them local, but if you do get some of them online, you should be able to get it for less than $50. how you think the top mount intake sounds on the X5 diesel. I think it sounds crazy, especially for $50. What kind of mod can you do for $50 to make it sound this crazy on a car? Wanting to put a top mount intake on their X5, I will have all these parts in the description below to buy for less than $50. The coupler, the piping, and the filter. Make sure to check in the description below if you want to get any of these parts on your X5 E70 35 diesel. And follow me on my socials to see more content of the X5 coming soon. You will see at the end of the video, we have a lot more coming soon. We're putting on a LCI rear bumper, going to get the car straight pipe with a muffler delete. Even more coming in the next video. Stay tuned to the series and what's coming for the X5. I appreciate everyone for watching to the end of the video. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Then got it back off rhyming, rapping that nigga, fucking off money in the hood. Hit a dice game with that hip hop, shoot some, bet some, blow a lot of money on rent. I ain't even seen my condo, it's been so long. Blow a lot of money on ops, I'm trying to put them in the front toe. I'm trying to smoke, talk about money all the time. I can't change the combo, 800 the zip of my jacket and shoes. Go make a serve and jump back in the booth. New car smell, the Ferrari are cool. Just enough room to fit me in your booth. Hard to sort out all the fake from the real. Gotta look at this shit for what it is. They know I drip, I'ma come through and kill. Put that shit on, splash when I spill. Crime scene, murder, all my losses. Serve the purpose, grapevine, sipping purple. Hit it right, she a squirter. Paid all that money for a car with no.
Tire light just came on. I'm gonna pull over. Yep, front right is flat. No way. A care package? It says Oxido portable air compressor, perfect time. Hooked up at 12 PSI and we're back to 32. Thanks, Oxido. You guys are